How to fix a dark backup camera view on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning you need to open the Mitsubishi Outlander brightness settings. All you need to do is find and select the settings at the home screen. Then you need to swipe to the left until you see the camera. If you tap the camera, you will be able to choose the display settings. Now, as you can see, the first section is the brightness. So the slider increases or decreases the overall light output of the parking camera feed. Cranking the brightness up is highly useful if you frequently reverse at night in poorly lit areas, making it easier to spot dark obstacles or crumbs behind you. So all you need to do is use this plus button to have the brightest possible view, and that's it. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.